Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Rainbow Road in Mario Kart World. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the game and you're wondering how do you actually go ahead and play on Rainbow Road? Well, here's how I actually unlocked it. So what you need to do is that you want to go ahead and access multiplayer or single player, and you want to go ahead into Grand Prix. Next, select the character. So we're just going to go ahead and choose the penguin, and then go ahead and choose a cart. And this is the really important step, guys. In order to lock Rainbow Road, which is what they call the Special Cup, you need to play all 7 races. So you need to play Mushroom Cup, Flower Cup, Star Cup, Shell Cup, Banana Cup, Leaf Cup, and Lightning Cup. It doesn't matter which CC you play it on. You can play it on 50, 100, or 150. And it also doesn't matter what place you come in. So let's say, for example, that you play all of these. Once you play all of these races, you're going to unlock the Special Cup, which does include Acorn Heights, Mario Circuit, Peach Stadium, and Rainbow Road. So to simply put, all you've got to do is go ahead and play all of these races at least once. You can even play last. You can place last in these races, but as long as you play each of these cups at least once, you'll go ahead and unlock Rainbow Road. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and unlock Rainbow Road on Mario Kart World. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.